Okay, Robertson Family Racing Pigeons, welcome back to the channel. Here is my somewhat lonely young birds section. Only got a couple birds in here, but that is about to change. Just got it scraped out. I'm gonna throw down some more cedar chips. It's just these bark chips here, and I basically just put this around the perimeter, kind of right there along the edge, so it basically catches their droppings when they're sitting on the perches and standing on the perches. And then every day I go ahead and scrape the floor before I feed them. And that's how I've been doing my breeder's loft as well. But anyways, we're gonna get these youngsters in here and then we'll take a look at them. Sweet. Exciting day. Second round. Woohoo! Love the smell of cedar. It's good stuff, really. Back here, the edges. It just helps with the cleanup. And then when I scrape every day, I actually just scrape the floor and usually just toss it onto the pile of wood chips, and then about a little less than once a week I'll shovel it out and swap it out with new wood chips. So far that's working well. I do plan on putting in a great floor, raised floor, so that will be the ideal, but until then, this works. And that's what I'm doing. Sweet. Just want to see what that looked like. Awesome. Cool, time to go get a few youngsters. All right, not gonna lie, this guy is probably the best of the second round so far. Still, his feathers are still coming out. This is a son out of Kronos and the Black Widow, and he's just a big dude. He takes after his dad. But really nice youngster. Already has fairly close, tight vents. Really good looking little bird. All right, buddy. Welcome to your new home. Okay. Here is the nesting eggs to that one. Black, so this one's out of Kronos and Black Widow again. This one, I don't know if it's a cock or hen yet, but it's very aggressive. When we feed, it chases off all the adults and is not afraid. Thought I left the door open there for a sec. So yeah, excited to see what this guy does. Or girl, we don't know yet. All right, buddy. Okay, next bird. This one, I think it's gonna be a cock. Not sure though. It's out of a son of Kronos and a bird bred by Joe Nemelka, the Cuevas bird. That was the bird that the nestmate won 5th average speed. So a really great bird for Joe. So I have the nestmate, and the nestmate is the dam of this bird. Really nice little bird. All right, buddy. Join your friends down on the floor. All right, here's the next one. Out of Djibouti and Lone Star. This is the poor little one that got scalped a little bit. Poor little girl. It's a cool bird. Really beautiful. Hopefully her head will heal up okay. I think it will. Got a little bit of bronze in the feather there. A little bit of grizzle. There's something going on. But yeah, that's a beautiful little bird. It's gonna be really nice. Beautiful. Hopefully it flies well. There you go, guy. Welcome to your new home. Okay, here's the next one. I've liked this little guy since just a couple days into the nest, when you can start to see him, see the color of his beak. But he's just got that little stripe right down the middle. Super beautiful. Again, out of Lone Star and Djibouti. I'll have to think of a good name for this one. This one also has the outside tail feathers white. Okay, little guy. Enjoy your new surroundings. 2 more. These few older ones are curious what's going on. All right, here we got a bird out of 836 and Athena. Nice little blue bar. It's going to be a good bird. I sent a full siblings of this bird. 2 of them in the AU race, the regular AU race. All right, little guy. There you are with your friends. We have nestmate, the last one from Athena and 836. Hold on, little guy. Still sporting the nice downy mullet. Mullets are coming back in, so you know, don't you worry. You're still popular, little guy. There you go. All right, let's take a closer look here. Here they are. How you guys doing? Sharp looking group there. And we'll have 2 more to add to that in about 2 weeks. We'll have the youngsters from Flyboy and Fat Bottom Girl. And they're already shaping up really nicely. Okay, birds. You guys are looking really good. Yeah. Okay, second round. Right there. It's pretty much a wrap. Just have Flyboy and Flat Bottom Girls. Youngsters, let's go take a quick look at those. and then we'll call it good. There's that bottom girl. Really nice bird. And oh, it's messy down here. Here they are. Here they are. This one's super tough. Thinks he's super tough. All right, you guys. Looking good. We'll add you to the loft in a couple of weeks. Add you to the elite young bird team. Let's see. Got that propped up on a couple wood blocks just to give it a little tiny bit more circulation underneath. Adios. All right. As always, thanks for watching, and please go ahead and subscribe if you have not done so already. We would greatly appreciate your support. And adios. Happy flying for those who are flying birds. They're looking good. Just find your water okay. That's good. That pied that got scalped, its feathers are starting to come in a little bit, so I think you're not even going to be able to tell. So that's good. Good birds. Good birds. That little black one is a tough one. Alrighty. Cool. Checking out that firefly. What is that firefly? I would not advise eating it. Those guys are chemically defended with a compound known as lucibufugins, and they are nasty. Smart birds, don't eat the firefly.